Welcome back to AP Precalculus in under 3 minutes. No time for intros, let's get into it. Topic 1.8 is all about how to find real zeros of a rational function. Now you might look at a rational function and see the division and think this would be really hard, but it really isn't. To solve for the real zeros of a rational function, simply set the numerator of the fraction equal to 0 and solve. The only new thing you need to worry about with rational functions is the denominator. You must also set the denominator equal to 0 and solve. For any zeros that match between the numerator and denominator, it is not a zero, it is a whole. Any remaining zeros that don't match in the numerator are real zeros of the function. Now technically for this course, I don't need to teach you how to solve zeros of polynomials because you should already know how to do it. On the screen now are completed problems solving polynomial functions for zeros, but that is all I am obligated to offer for this topic, and this course in general. Here are the problems you should be able to complete for this topic. Pause now. Answers and work now. See you in the next one.